This is the TEKTON Mini Precision Screwdriver Set. This has been a lifesaver. I've had so many projects where I've needed a tiny bespoke screw to unlock. Sometimes you've never seen ones this small before, but having this in your back pocket has been so helpful because it allows you to get into all those places and really makes any DIY project or electronic device you need to open really a breeze. I love the design of this. It comes in an adorable box. This is so compact and small and cute, and it's so beautifully designed. Everything is really made such for an architecture of space. Inside, it gives you an array of mini heads, and they're so different and so cute. There's also a prying tool here that they give you so you can lift up different panels, and this is quite handy as well. They really want you to get into everything, so this is so nice. And I've also loved that it is a magnetic screwdriver, so every head fits in and snaps right on, and that's pretty universal. And I think if you have a different head, it probably would work, or screwdriver would work well. So these come out just like this in a cute panel, and they tell you exactly what kind of screwdriver head each one is, and you just pop one out, and then they slide right in. I've definitely been so happy to have these. You might ask yourself, you know, do I really need this many different kinds of mini screws? But once you have it, you'll find ways to use it. It more often than not has been a great help, and I fixed countless things with this, and too many to count really, that it has really come in such handy. I definitely would recommend this. It might even be an unusual but also very helpful gift, even if you just wanted to give it to someone. But yes, it's definitely the kind of screwdriver kit that Batman would use, and I'm so glad to have had it.